Assalamualaikum my YouTube students. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.3 question number 2, that is simplify these surds. You have to simplify these surds. So for the simplification I have told you in question number 1 as well that we have to make prime factorization of every single surd. ठीक है, यहाँ हमारे पास है 21, मुझे 21 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है, मुझे 9 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है एंड मुझे 63 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है। ठीक है, इन सब की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है मुझे। सबसे पहले हम 21 की करते हैं। 3 7 ज़ा 21 एंड 7 1 ज़ा 7। ठीक है, 3 ज़ा 9, 3 1 ज़ा 3 एंड 63 नाउ। 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 7 ज़ा 21 and 7 1 ज़ा 7. So I can write it down. 21 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 and 63 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So this is 3 multiplied by 7. I can write it down as 3 square. It will be 3 square into 7. So it will be 3 square and this will be 3 into 3 multiplied by 7. This will be cancelled with the 3 into 7 into 3 by, write it down. I can make it separate. So this both are same, these both are same, so they are cancelled out. So it will be 3 by under root 3. So that this 3 under root into 3 under root is equal to 3 square under root and cancelled answer is 3. So हम 3 को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, 3 कैन बी रिटन एज अंडर रूट 3 इंटू अंडर रूट 3. सो अंडर रूट 3 इंटू अंडर रूट 3 बाय अंडर रूट 3 एक कैंसिल हो गया, बाकी क्या बचा मेरे पास, जस्ट अंडर रूट 3. Related question are question number 2, first and fifth part are same like this. So you can solve it by yourself and write down your answers in the comment box. Now I am going to solve question number 2, its third part, that is fifth root of 243, x raised per 5, y raised per 10, z raised per 15. So first of all, as we have 243, so right now we are going to do prime factorization of 243. It is divisible by 3. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5. 3 raised per 5 is equal to 243. So right now we are having here index 5. So I want fifth part. Fine. So here I am going to replace 3 raised per 5 in the place of 243 and x is again in fifth part, so x raised per 5 as it is. So y I can write it down, y raised per 5 into y raised per 5. As the bases are same, so parts are going to add, so it will again become 5 plus 5, that will be 10. z मेरे पास आ जाएगा 5 5 and 5. So it will be z 5 plus 5 plus 5, that will be again 15. चलिए जी, अब इनसे सेपरेट कर लेते हैं और यू कैन मेक द होल स्क्वायर, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमने सेपरेट किया था, हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। होल रेज टू द पावर 5. So it will be cancelled with this. Again we are having 3x, y 2 times है, y square and z 3 times है, तो z. It's question number 3, that is simplify by combining similar terms. Here you can see that there are 4 terms here with 4 surds. So first of all we are going to resolve, we are going to do prime factorization of each surd. Fine. So right now first of all I am going to prime factorize 12. Say that 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. So it will be 2 square into 3. So afterwards we are going to do prime factorization of 27. So 27 will be 3 square into 3. As we are having under root, so means index is 2. So that's why I have write it down 3 square into 3 plus 5 3 square into 3. The second last is 75. So 375 is equal to 3 into 5 square minus 3 into 5 square. Fine. Now the last one is 5. So we can write it down 3 into 2 square into 5 square. Now we are going to separate them as 4, 2 square into root 5, 3 square into 3 square square root 3 minus 3 plus under root of 2 square and under root of 5 square. Fine. So the remaining will be 4 into 2 square root of 3 plus 5 into 3 square root of 3 minus 3 into this one was left plus 2 into 5 and square root of 3. So here you can see 4 2s are 8 plus 5 3s are 15 minus 15 plus 10 cube square root of 3. So we can take common. As you see that in every term, this is same. So we can take it as common. 3 remaining will be 8. इधर क्या रह गया 15, इधर minus 15 plus 10. ये तो हो गए कैंसल. 10 plus 18. So it will be 18 square root of 3. This is the solution of this. So it's a related question R, question number 3 first part by following same procedure. Fine. Okay ji.